Hi guys, this is KP from GadgetPlay.in. OnePlus has been promoting OnePlus 5 because it is equipped with latest technology. That OnePlus 5 price in India for the 6GB RAM and 64GB storage model is said to be around 33,000, while the 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage model is said to be cost around 38,000. If these turn out to be actual prices, the next flagship will be the most expensive OnePlus smartphone yet. The higher price tag previous leak also suggested European pricing for the OnePlus 5, which is likely to be around 550 euros, which turns out to be 40,000 in Indian rupees. To refresh, OnePlus 3T was launched last year in India at rupees 30,000 for 64GB variant and 35,000 rupees for the 128GB variant. For availability, Amazon India source code has already revealed that OnePlus 5 will be exclusively available in Amazon India. It was confirmed India exclusive with the next phone released by OnePlus would be known as OnePlus 5. It was claimed the decision was due to number of 4 being unlucky in China, an example of tetrophobia. Coming to OnePlus 5 specifications, the smartphone is compared to feature the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor with clock speed of 2.35 GHz. While both OnePlus and Qualcomm had earlier said it will be the first smartphone in India with Snapdragon 835 running in. Sony has already beaten the Chinese brand to the punch with the India launch of its Xperia XZ Premium, which is famous for its slow motion videos. As mentioned earlier, OnePlus 5 is rumored to be available in two variants: 6GB plus 64GB storage variant and the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. It is said to be run on Android 7.1 now got out of the box. The smartphone is said to sport a 23 megapixel rear camera and a 16 megapixel camera at the front for selfies. As the device sports a dual camera setup at the back, how does 73 megapixel sensor fits in the scheme of things is currently unclear. Other rumored OnePlus 5 specifications include a front-facing fingerprint sensor and a camera developed in partnership with the Expo, which is famous for rating cameras of the flagship phones. The company also teased a camera sample showing excellent low light performance. Regarding OnePlus 5 design, OnePlus 5 is the slimmest flagship smartphone from the company. OnePlus 5 CEO had teased that OnePlus 5 will be the slimmest flagship smartphone yet, though it wasn't clear whether he meant slimmest among all the flagship smartphones out there or slimmest among the OnePlus flagships. From the back, a smartphone looks like iPhone 7 Plus. Hey, with a dual rear camera setup to boost. Unlike rumors that claim a vertical dual rear camera setup, the OnePlus 5 is confirmed to sport horizontal play sensor at the back. OnePlus 5 is said to be launched in India on 22nd June in Mumbai and other cities at the pop-up events like cities in Hyderabad, Delhi, Gurgaon, etc. OnePlus 5 OnePlus 5 is setting a keynote on June 20th, the global launch of OnePlus 5. Hope you get one OnePlus 5 through Amazon. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.